how to transfer money from Sweatcoin to Apple Pay. Here's how it works. You want to load up the Sweatcoin app and make sure you have sufficient funds here. So currently I have 2,800 Sweatcoin. If you want to transfer it over to Apple Pay, you will go into the rewards tab, and then here you want to click on buy. You want to click on buy and you will see these options for gift cards. You will have an Amazon gift card, Spotify, Google Play, and if there's an option for Google Play, that means that there's an option for Apple Pay as well. So you will need to have exactly 5,000 Sweatcoin in order to redeem this gift card. So 5,000 Sweatcoin will give you or get you a $5 Apple Pay gift card. So here you will just purchase the gift card and then you want to redeem it to your account by going here into the App Store and then clicking on your profile icon in the top right, and then you want to click on redeem gift card or code. Here you will type the code manually or you can use the camera, and that is how you transfer your money from Sweatcoin to Apple Pay. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.